You know what's more intimidating than wiring a live panel? Preparing for the Red Seal electrical exam after being out of school for years? But don't worry, you've got this. And I'm here to walk you through the prep process step by step. Let's talk about what makes the Red Seal electrical exam unique. This exam isn't just a test of memory. It's a test of your judgment, your skills, and how you apply what you know on the job. It typically includes 100 to 150 multiple choice questions, and you'll have 3.5 to 4 hours to complete it. Expect questions about Canadian electrical code, troubleshooting scenarios, load calculations, and wiring diagrams. So, how do you prepare? First, don't try to memorize the entire code book. Instead, get comfortable navigating it. Flag the sections you use often. Practice finding information quickly, because you'll need that skill in the exam room. Next, study in sections. Break your prep into safety, tools, code, electrical theory, and calculations. You don't need to go in order. Just make sure you're covering all the fundamentals. Flashcards are great for formulas. Daily reviews help reinforce memory. And if you're more of a visual learner, sketch out diagrams and trace circuits to understand flow and logic. Also, make use of scenario-based questions. You might see something like, an electric motor draws 12 amps on a 120-volt circuit. What wire gauge should be used? Those types of questions test both your math and code knowledge. Now, let's talk confidence. If it's been years since you last studied, that's okay. You're not alone. Thousands of tradespeople across Canada challenge the Red Seal every year, and many are in the same boat. What helps? A clear plan, consistent practice, and tools that guide your study. And that brings me to this. At redsealstudyguide.ca, we offer digital resources designed for real tradespeople. Our question and answer books are perfect for review sessions. The explanation-style versions help you understand why the right answer is right. And the online time tests? They give you real exam conditions, so you're not caught off guard. Everything is downloadable instantly, so you can start tonight if you want. No shipping delays, no waiting. Just structured, trade-focused prep tools that work. Now, why does this matter? Because passing the Red Seal opens doors. You'll earn more, qualify for supervisory roles, and work anywhere in Canada without recertifying. Plus, there's the pride that comes with knowing you've mastered your trade. The Red Seal isn't just a certification, it's a career milestone. And it starts with solid preparation. So if you're getting ready for the Red Seal electrical exam, give yourself the best shot. Use smart tools, review consistently, and build your confidence step by step. And remember, you've already done the hard part, learning the trade. Now it's just about proving it.